I'm here to do a She Fit unboxing haul. I just got this new package in the mail. Cute little pink box, and it has the cutest little "We Are Sexy and Strong" tape. I love that. Let's see. I obviously know what I got, but surprise to you guys. Okay. Oh my gosh, so it comes packaged like this, and it has the She Fit crown and stamp. First thing I got is this lounge, small, extra small, purple cute bra. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It comes in these laundry safe bags that you can throw in the laundry with everything else in your wardrobe. So that's awesome. Next, I got the same thing, low impact sports bra in this. Moving on, I got these V-waist biker shorts. I am so excited about these. These are in dazzling blue. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. And it's gonna go perfect with this because the little She Fit embroidery matches perfectly. Oh, can't wait to wear this. Yes. And lastly, I have the pink, the same shorts, but just in the hot pink to match my other bra. My cute little new workout outfits. I am so excited for these. Look at this. So cute. Ah, thank you. Go She Fit.